Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your phone number on Google Meet. So to start, you need to open Google Meet app first. Then once opened, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Now once you do that, tap on confirm your phone number. Then at the bottom, you'll see go to Google account settings to remove numbers from your account. So tap on Google account settings. So it will take a few seconds. Now tap on the number you want to remove. Once you tap that, next you need to click on the delete icon at the top right and confirm the action. Tap on remove number and the phone number has been removed. So once done, you need to close Google Meet and reopen it again. Tap on your profile picture. So as you can see, the number has been removed and you need to add your phone number. So tap on that and go ahead and tap your new number. So choose country code and your phone number. Then tap on continue. And that's basically it. That's how you can delete your old phone number and add a new one on Google Meet. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.